Hey guys, welcome back to Delf Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to add MetaMask to Brave browser. So guys, in order for you to do this process, so first thing is you can just simply go for MetaMask download. You can just simply search it on the Brave search, and from here click on the very first one, and this will be their official website. So now you can just simply select Brave over here, of course, and select over here add to Brave in order for the MetaMask to be integrated into your Brave. And from here you will have the pop-up if you should trust it or not. So just simply select add extensions over here. And now after that, just simply wait for it to be integrated, as you can see on the top right corner. Now once it is done, it will redirect you over here. As you can see, if you don't have a wallet, you can create a new wallet, or if you have an existing wallet, you could continue with your account. And when you go over here to the extensions tab, as you can see, MetaMask will always be here. And in order for you to continue or proceed with this process, you have to log in into your account. And from here, you should be able to connect your MetaMask to your Brave browser. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.